everyone, in this video I have solved reading test 3 of Cambridge 1. Let's begin with reading passage 1. Question number 1 to 6. Reading passage 1 has 7 paragraphs A to G. Choose the most suitable heading for each paragraph from the list of headings below. Write the appropriate numbers I to xi in boxes 1 to 6 on your answer sheet. Paragraph C has been done for you as an example. There are more headings than paragraphs, so you will not use all of them. You may use any headings more than once. First of all, to solve this kind of question, list of headings, we have to skim and scan all the paragraphs carefully. We have to read all the paragraphs and then we have to focus on most important information. And we will start with question number A. Question number 1, paragraph A. First of all, we will read all this list of heading. 1. Grammar is corrected. Grammar and corrected is our keyword. New method of research. New method and research both are our keyword. Technology learns from dictionaries. Technology learn dictionaries. These all are keywords. Non-verbal content. Non-verbal. The first study of spoken language. First study spoken language. These both are our keywords. Traditional lexicographical methods. Traditional lexicographical. These both are our keywords. Written English tells the truth. Written English and truth. These three are our keywords. New phrases enter dictionary. New phrases and dictionary. These both are our keyword. A cooperative research project. Cooperative research project. These are our keywords. Accurate word frequency count. Accurate and word frequency. These all are our keywords. Alternative expression provided. Alternative expression. These both are our keywords for XI. Now we will read paragraph A. And we will focus on main keywords and we will understand whole paragraph. The compiling of dictionaries has been historically the provenance of studious professional types, usually bespectacled, who love to pore over weighty tomes and make pronouncement on the finer nuance of meaning. They were probably good at crosswords and definitely knew a lot of words. But the image was always rather dry and dusty. The latest technology and simple technology at that is re-evolutionizing the content of dictionary and the way they are put together. Now in this paragraph, they have given us some information about the latest technology. Apart from this, they also try to figure out something about the traditional method. Now, here we will see our list of headings. We can see that traditional lexicographical method, and for technology we can find any option technology learns from dictionary. But here, only in this part, writer has given us some information about the technology. Apart from that, writer is talking about the traditional method, and that's why by focusing on whole paragraph we will write VI for question number 1. Now we will read paragraph B. For the first time, dictionary publishers are incorporating real spoken English into their data. It gives lexicographer. Lexicographer means people who write dictionaries access to more vibrant, up-to-date vernacular language which has never really been studied before. In one project, 150 volunteers each agreed to discreetly tie a Walkman recorder to their waist and leave it running for anything up to 2 weeks. Any conversation they had was recorded. When the data was collected, the length of tape was 35 times in the depth of Atlantic Ocean. Term of audio typist transcribed the tapes to produce computerized database of 10 million words. They talked about for the first time, and they are talking about one new method, and they tried something different and new. And we will focus on our list of headings. We can find our keyword here, new method of research. Here in this, writer described about the new method of research. Okay, that's why we will write 2 for question number uh, 2 for question number 2. For paragraph B, our answer is 2. Now paragraph C has been already solved by them, and we will focus on paragraph D. This kind of research would be impossible. This kind of research would be impossible without computers, said Delia Summers, a director of dictionaries. It has transformed the way lexicographers work. If you look at the word like, you may intuitively think that the first and most frequent meaning is the verb, as in I like swimming. It is not. It is the preposition, as in she walked like a duck. Just because a word or phrase is used doesn't mean end up in a dictionary. The sifting out process is a vital as ever. But the database does allow lexicographer to search for a word and find how frequently it is used, something that could only be guessed at intu- intuitively before. That means writer is talking about the counting of words. And in the last line, writer said that but the database does allow lexicographer to search for a word. They can find word and find out how frequently it is used. That means they are lexicographers or writers are using these words how many times. Something that could only be guessed before. And that's why they are talking about the counting of words, and we will find our answer. Let's see our option. We can find that our answer is X, accurate word frequency count. Okay, for question number 3 we will write X. Now question number 4, paragraph E. Researchers have found that written English work in a very different way to spoken English. The phrase say what you like literally means feel free to say anything you want, but in reality it is used, evidence shows, by someone to prevent other person voicing disagreement. The phrase it's a question of crop up on the database over and over again. It has nothing to do with inquiry, but it's one of the most frequent English phrases which has never been in a language learner's dictionary before. It is now. Now we will focus on our keywords. In this, writer has given us some information about the phrases that were not using by the lexicographers before. But now these all kind of phrases are added to our dictionary. For this reason, we will find our answer V triple I. New phrase entered dictionary. New phrases enter dictionary. Okay. And for this question number 4, we will write V triple I. Now we will focus on question number 5, paragraph F. The spoken corpus computer shows how inevitable and humorous people are when they are using language by twisting familiar phrase for effect. It also reveals the power of pauses and noises we use to play for a time, convey emotion, doubt, and irony. Let's find the answer for paragraph F. Now, here, writer is talking about to convey the emotions, doubt, and irony. He is also talking about that how people twisting familiar phrases for necessary impact. That means he is trying to figure out some information about the non-verbal content. What is the meaning of non-verbal? Which is not spoken. And that's why here IV, non-verbal content, is our answer for paragraph F. Now we will focus on paragraph G. For the moment, those benefiting most from the spoken corpus are foreign learners. Computers allow lexicographers to search quickly through more examples of real English, said Professor Geoffrey Leach of Lancaster University. They allow dictionary to be more accurate and give a feel for how language is being used. The spoken corpus is a part of the larger British national corpus, an alternative carried out by several groups involved in the production of language learning material, publishers, university, and British Library. Now, in this, we can find that they are talking about some research. Here we can find that computers allow lexicographers to search quickly through more example of real words, and this line is said by one professor, and they also allow dictionary to be more accurate and give a feel for a better language. That means writer is talking about one new method. And for question number 6, we can find here our option, a cooperative research project. Okay. Now we will solve question number 7 to 11. The diagram below illustrates the information provided in paragraphs B to F of reading. Passage 1. Complete the label on the diagram with appropriate word or words. Use no more than 3 words for each space. Write your answer in boxes 7 to 11 on your answer sheet. In this, they have given us one example, and for filling the blanks, we have to focus mainly on keywords and we just have to match the answer. This is the most easiest type of question. Now we will start with question number 7. Data from blank written corpus. Now here we can find our keywords, existing written corpus. And for that reason we will write existing for question number 7. Now question number 8. Keywords and blank. Now we have to find information about the keywords. Here we can find keywords such as each are followed by. Writer said that keywords are followed by related phrases. That's why we will write related phrases in question number 8. Or we can also write only phrases. Now, most frequently used blank of words. Most frequently used blank of words. Here we can find our answer that the most frequent meaning is the verb. The first and most frequent meaning is the verb, and for this reason we will write meaning in question number 9. Now question number 10. Differences between written and blank use. We will try to search this answer in this paragraph. Researchers have found that written English works in a very different way to spoken English. That means difference between written and spoken. We will write spoken in question number 10. Question number 11. The portrayal of feelings through it also reveals the power of the pauses and noises we use to play for a time to convey emotion, doubt and irony. These all are feelings, and this portrayal means convey through power of pauses and noises. But we do not have to use more than 3 words. That's why we will write pauses and noises, only pauses or only noises. Whatever we want to write. Now question number 12. Choose the appropriate letter A to D and write in box 12 on your answer sheet. Why was the article written? To give example of current dictionary? No. To announce a new approach to a dictionary writing? In all these paragraphs, a writer is talking about most of time a new approach about the writing of dictionary. And by our understanding, we will definitely write B for question number 12. Now we will solve reading passage 2 of test 3 of Cambridge 1. Let's begin with question number 13 to 20. Reading passage 2 has 9 paragraphs A to I. Choose the most suitable heading for each paragraph from the list of headings below. Write the appropriate numbers in boxes 13 to 20 on your answer sheet. Paragraph A has been done for you as example. There are more headings than paragraphs, so you will not use all of them. Here we have some list of headings and we have to match these headings with this paragraph. For this, we will apply scheming and scanning. Now, what is the meaning of scheming and scanning? We have to focus on most important information and we have to read all the paragraphs carefully. Let's begin with paragraph B. First of all, we will see all the list of headings and then we will search for our keywords. A designer describe his house. Designer describe house. These all are our keywords. Most people prefer conventional housing. People, conventional housing. These both are our keyword. Simulating a natural environment. Simulating a natural environment are our keywords. How an underground family home developed. Underground family home developed. These are our keywords. Demands on space and energy are reduced. Demands, space, energy and reduce. These are our keywords. The plans for future homes. Plans and future homes are our keyword. Worldwide example of underground living accommodation. Worldwide example and underground living accommodation. These are our keywords. Some buildings do not require natural light. Some buildings not require a natural light. These are our keywords. Developing underground services around the world. Underground services the world. These are our keywords. Underground living improves health. Underground living, improvement and health. All these are our keywords. Home sold before completion. Sold and before completion are our keywords. An underground home is discovered. Underground home and discovered. These all are our keywords. Now we read all this list of headings and now we have to read our paragraph. Here they have given us one example paragraph A, so we will not read this paragraph A. We will start with paragraph B, question number 13. Most falling fall of strict building regulations have been forced to dismantle their individualistic homes and return to more conventional lifestyles. But subterranean suburbia Dutch style is about to become respectable and chic. 7 luxury homes cosseted away inside a high earth-covered noise embankment next to the main Tilburg City Road recently went on a market for $296,500 each. The foundation had yet to be dug, but customers queued up to buy the unusual part submerged houses, whose back wall consists of a grassy mound and whose front is a long glass gallery. In this paragraph, writer has given us information about the style of building, like underground building. And then he added one statement. But customers queued. That means customers are waiting up to buy to unusual part submerged house. That means underground buildings. They are waiting for buying these buildings. That means some of the underground houses are sold already. Now we will focus on our list of headings. Here we can find our answer. Homes sold before completion. Because the building of all the homes are not completed, and before the completion of the houses, it's sold and customers are waiting. That's why for question number 13 we will write XI. Now question number 14, paragraph C. The Dutch are not the only would-be the moles. Growing number of the European are borrowing below ground to create houses, offices, discuss shopping malls. Writer is talking about Dutch, then Europeans. It is already providing a way of life in extreme climate in winter month in Montreal, Canada. He is also talking about these other cities. For instance, citizen can expect the cold in underground complex, complete with the shoes and even health clinics in Tokyo. He is also talking about Tokyo builders are planning to massive underground city to be begun to the next decade, and underground shopping malls are already common in Japan, where 90% of the population is skewed into the 20% of landscape. That means writer is giving us information about the underground services which are developing around the different part of world. Now here we can find our answer. Developing underground services around the world. We can find here different part of our world. European, Dutch, Canada, Tokyo, and that's why we will write for question number 14 IX. Now question number 15, paragraph D. Building big commercial buildings underground can be way to avoid disfiguring or threatening a beautiful or environmentally sensitive landscape. Indeed, many of the buildings which consume most land, such as a cinema, supermarket, theater, warehouse, or libraries, have no need to be on the surface since they do not need window. Here writer has given us information that since they do not need windows, that means they do not need natural light. Now we will focus on our list of headings. Some buildings do not require natural light, because here writer told us that underground can be the way to avoid disfiguring or threatening a beautiful or environmental sensitive landscape. And here also he has given us information that they do not need windows. That means it is clear that for question number 15 we will write V triple I. Now question number 16, paragraph E. There are big advantages too. When it comes to the private home, a development of 194 houses which would take up 14 hectare of land above ground would occupy 2.7 hectare below, while the number of roads would be halved under several meters of earth. Noise is minimal and insulation is excellent. We get 40 to 50 inquiries per week, says Peter Carpenter, secretary of the British Earth Sheltering Association, which builds similar homes in Britain. People say this is a way of building for the future. An underground dweller himself, Carpenter has never paid heating bill thanks to the solar pan and natural insulation. Now we will focus on our list of heading. In this paragraph, writer is trying to say that underground services are becoming more common, and we do not need too much of space and energy. Here he has also written that a carpenter has never paid a heating bill. Heating bill, that means energy, thanks to the solar panel and nature insulation. And here, by giving some information about the area, he is giving us information about the space, that now we do not require too much of the space and energy because we have this all underground services. And we will find our answer in this list of headings. Let's see. An underground home is discovered, home before completion, help developing around the world. Here, V is correct answer. Demands on space and energy are reduced. For question number 16. Now we will focus on paragraph F. In Europe, the obstacle has been conservative local authorities and developers who prefer to ensure quick sales with conventional mass-produced housing. But the Dutch development was greeted with undistinguished relief by South Limburg planners because of the Holland's chronic shortage of the land. It was the Tilburg architect Joe Hurkums who hit on the idea of making use of the noise embankment on main roads. His two-floor, four bedrooms, two bathroom detached homes are now taking shape. That means one of the designer is talking about the house, his house design. And here from reading this we can get the idea that here is our answer. A designer describes his house. He is talking about his houses. And for this reason, for paragraph A, for question number 17, we will write A. 1. Now, we will see our next question, paragraph G. In the US, where energy efficient homes become popular after the oil crisis of 1973, 10,000 underground houses have been built. A terrace of 5 homes, Britain's first subterranean development is underway in Nottinghamshire. Shire. Italy's outstanding example of the subterranean architect is the Oliveti Residential Central in Ivrea, commissioned by Roberto Olivetti in 1969. It comprises 82 one-bedroom apartments and 12 main sonates and forms a hotel. Olivetti employees. It is built into hill and little can be seen from the outside except a glass facade. Pezia Vallecchi, a resident since 1992, says it is a little different from living in a conventional apartment. Now for paragraph G, what we will write. Writer is talking about the underground living accommodations of different places. Here we can find some places in the US, then we can find Italy's and many more examples like different places of world. That's why we will find our answer here. VLL. Worldwide examples of underground living accommodation. Now paragraph H. Not everyone adapts so well, and in Japan, scientists at the Shimizu Corporation have developed space creation system which mix light, sounds, breeze and scents to stimulate people who spend long periods below ground. Underground offices in Japan are being equipped with a virtual window and mirror, while underground department in the University of Minnesota have periscopes to reflect views and light. Now, in this, writer has given us information about the stimulating one natural kind of environment. He's talking about that cooperation have developed space creation system which mix light, sound, breeze, scent to stimulate people who spend long time below the ground. And that's why here also he has given us information about the light and all these views. That's why we will write our answer for question number 19 is 3. Simulating a natural environment. Now, question number 20, paragraph I. But Frank Sigmund and his family love their hobbit lifestyle. Their home evolved when he dug a cool room for his bakery business in a hill he had created during a heat wave they took to sleeping there. We felt at peace and so close to nature. He says, gradually I began adding to the rooms. It sounds strange, but we are so close to the earth. We draw strength from its vibrations. Our children love it. Not every child can boast of being watched through their playroom's windows by rabbit. Now for paragraph I, what we will write here, writer has given us information about the how underground family home developed. He told us that his family loved their hobbit lifestyle and their home evolved when he dug. He's talking about his home and how it developed. Now we will find our answer. We can find here that how underground family home developed. For this reason we will write IV for question number 20. Now we will solve question number 21 to 26. Complete the sentences below with words taken from the reading passage. Use no more than 3 words for each answer. We have to focus on this instruction that use no more than 3 words. Write your answers in boxes 21 to 26 on your answer sheet. Question number 21. Many developers prefer mass-produced houses because they. Now we have to complete the sentence by focusing on the major keywords. Many developers mass-produce houses. These are our keywords. We can find our information here. In Europe, the obstacle has been conservative local authorities and developers. Many developers. This is our first keyword. Who prefer? We can find here word prefer. To ensure quick sales with a conventional mass-produced housing. Here we can find mass-produced houses. And because they, now in this paragraph, writer has given us information about the quick sales. But if we will write quick cells because they quick cells, then it is grammatically incorrect. For that reason, we have to write a sentence which is grammatically correct. So we will write sell more quickly. And we also have to focus on our instruction no more than 3 words. Or we can also write only sell. Now question number 22. The Dutch development was welcomed by. Dutch development and welcome by, these both are our keyword. Now we will see our paragraph. But the Dutch development was greeted. Welcome and greeted. These both are synonym. With undiscussed relief by. By whom? By South Limburg planners. So it is clear. For question number 22, we will write South Limburg planners. Or we can only write planners. Now question number 23. Herkman's houses are built into. Herkman is definitely our keyword and are built into. So we will focus on paragraph. Let's see. Here we can find some information about the Herkman. We will write this. We will read this. Herkman, who hit on idea of making use of the noise embankment on main roads. He's given us information about noise embankments. And Herkman houses are built into which place? Built into the noise embankment, or we can also write only embankment, or we can also write roads embankment, because here we can find our word that embankment on main roads. Now question number 24. The Iberia Center was developed for. Iberia Center and developed for, these both are our keywords. Now we will find our answer in paragraph G. Because here we can find some information about this center. Here is our keywords. We will read from here. A terrace of 5 homes, Britain's first subterranean development, is underway in Nottinghamshire. Italy's outstanding example of subterranean architecture is the Olivetti Residential Center in Iberia. Commissioned by Robert Olivetti in 1969. It comprises 82 one-bedroom apartments and 20 main zones and form a house hotel for Olivetti employees. And here is our answer. The Iberia Center was developed for Olivetti employees. Now question number 25. Japanese scientists are helping people blank underground life. Japanese scientist is definitely our keyword. Helping people for what? Underground life is also our keyword. Now we can find that not everyone adapts so well. And in Japanese scientists at the Shimizu Corporation has developed space creation system which mix light, sound, breeze and sand to simulate people to spend long period below ground. That means they adapt. They are helping people to adapt underground life. And that's why we will write adapt to. Because we cannot write adapt so. It is grammatically incorrect. So we have to think that Japanese scientists are helping people adapt to underground life. Now question number 26. Frank Sigmund's first underground room was used. Here we can find information about the Frank Sigmund and his family love their hobbit lifestyle. Their home evolved when he dug a cool room for his bakery business. So it is clear that we can write bakery business or a cool room because he used first underground room for both this purpose. So we can write any of them, a cool room or a bakery business. Here is our end of reading passage 2. Now we will solve reading passage 3 of test 3 Cambridge 1. Let's begin with question number 27 to 32. Do the following statements agree with the views of the writer in reading passage 3? In boxes 27 to 32, write yes, no, not given. We know that we have to find the correct statements and then we have to write our answers. Like if the statement is the correct match with the paragraph information, then we will write yes. If the statement is contradicting with the information, then we will write no. And if there is no any statement given about these things, then we will write not given. For that, we will use scheming and scanning technique. Along with this, we will also focus on keywords and we will understand the paragraph. Question number 27. Today, employees are facing a reduction in working hour. Employees, reduction and working hours. These are our keywords. Now we can find our information here. In fact, working hours have increased noticeably since 1970, perhaps because real wages have stagnated since that year. That means working hours have increased. And here they have given us information about today employees are facing a reduction. That's why this statement is contradicting with the given information. That's why we will definitely write no for question number 27. Question number 28. Social planners have been consulted about US employment figures. Social planners and US employment figures are our keyword. Here we can find some information about the US. Let's read this paragraph. For the first century or so of the Industrial Revolution, increased productivity led to decrease in working hour. Employees who had been putting in 12 hours a day, 6 days a week, found their time on job shrinking to 10 hours daily, then finally to 8 hours 5 days a week. Only a generation ago, a social planner worried about what people would do with all this newfound free time. In the US, at least it seems they need not to have bothered. In this paragraph, writer has not given us any information about the consulted of the US employment figure. And that's why we will write not given for question number 28. Now question number 29. Salaries have not risen significantly since 1970s. Here we have to focus on date. And our keywords are salaries not risen. Significantly means rapidly. Okay, we will find our answer here. Perhaps because the real wages have stagnated since last year. What is the meaning of stagnated? That means it remains same. There is no change in salaries. And that's why for question number 29, we will write yes. Because they have not risen significantly. Okay, now question number 30. The economic recovery created more jobs. Now we have to find the word economic recovery and more jobs. Let's focus on our paragraph. Here we can see that indeed the current economic recovery has gained a certain amount of notoriety for its jobless nature. That means economic recovery has not created much job. This statement is contradicting our information, and that's why we will write no for question number 30. Now question number 31. Bilin's research shows that part-time employees work more efficiently. Here, Bilin's research, part-time employees and more efficiently. These all are our keywords. Now, in this question, they have given us information about one research. So, it is quite clear that we have to find about this research in our paragraph first. Here we can find some information about the Bilin's research. Bilin says it does not fit the fact. She cites both quantitative and qualitative studies that show increased productivity for part-time workers. That means productivity is increasing for part-time workers. And here they have given us information that part-time employees work more efficiently. That means it is a correct match, and we will write yes for question number 31. Now question number 32. Increased leisure time would benefit two-career household. Increased leisure time and two-career household, these are our keywords. Now we have to find all these things. In the last paragraph, we can see some information about the two-career household and leisure time. We will read this. It may take even more than changes in the financial and cultural structure of employment for workers successfully to trade increased productivity money for leisure time. Score content, she say the US market for goods has become skewed by the assumption of full-time two-career household. Automobile makers no longer manufacture cheap models and developers do not build the tiny bungalows that serve the first post-war generation of home buyers. In this paragraph, they have given us information about both the things, leisure time and two carrier house. But they are not talking about the increased leisure time would benefit or not benefit two carrier household. That's why here we will write not given for question number 32. Now let's see our another question number 32 and 34. Choose the appropriate letters A to D and write them in boxes 33 and 34 on your answer sheet. Now question number 33. Bailin argued that it is better for a company to employ more workers because Bailin better company employ more workers. These all are our keywords and we have to focus on these options. Let's see about the Bailin's research. Here we can find our answer that she asserts the extra people can cover the contingencies that you know are going to happen, such as when crises take people away from the workplace. Positive experiences with the reduced hour have begun to change the more is better culture at some companies. Core reports. And here also we can find that adds the many corporate managers find it difficult to measure the contribution of their understanding to a firm's well-being. So they use the number of hours worked as a proxy for output. Employers knows this, she says, and they adjust their behavior accordingly. That means that if more people are available, then they will work in the case of the absent staff. And here we can find our option C here. People are available to substitute for a absent staff. Now question number 34. Question number 33 is repeated. 33. Bailins argue that it is better for a company to employ more workers because now we have to focus on our keywords. In this Bailin, better, company, more workers. These all are our keywords and we have to focus on our information. Okay, then here we can find some information about Bailin. We will read this. Bailin adds that many cooperator managers find it difficult to measure the contribution of their underlings to a firm's well-being. So they use the number of hours worked as a proxy for output. That means they can use the number of hour work as a proxy. Proxy means in form of absenteeism. Okay, now we will read that from here. The extra people can cover the contingency that you know are going to happen, such as when crises take people away from the workplace. Positive experiences with reduced hour have begun to change the more is better culture at some companies, core reports. That means here and here we can find the information that if there is more and more people are available, then they can work in the case of absent staff. And here we can find our answer C. C is our answer for question number 33. Now question number 34. Score thinks it will be difficult for workers in the US to reduce their working hours because score difficult workers US reduce their working hours. These all are our keywords. Now we can find some information about the score. We will read this. Score content. She says the US market for goods has become skewed by the assumption of full-time two-carrier household. Automobile makers. Automobile means cars and some kind of vehicle. No longer manufacture cheap model and develops do not build the tiny bungalow and serve the first post-war generation of home buyers. Now this statement is a match with this option A. They would not be able to afford cars or home, because here writer is giving some information about this both things. Then we will definitely write A for question number 34. Now we will see further question number 35 to 38. The writer mentions a number of factors that have resulted in employer working longer hours. Which four of the following factors are mentioned? Write your answer A to H in boxes 35 to 38 on your answer sheet. Here they have given us some list of factors. We have to find four factors which was mentioned by the writer. Now here we can find our information about this factor. Even hourly employees receive benefits such as a pension, contribution, medical insurance that are not tied to the number of hours they worked. That means option D is the correct one. Benefits and hours spent on the job are not linked. Therefore, it is more profitable for employers to work their existing employees harder. And here we can find our words that option number B, extra work is offered to existing employees or only rather than employ new people or new employees. Now, for all employees complain about longer hours, they too have a reason to trade money for leisure. People who work reduces hours pay a huge penalty in career terms. Score maintained. It is taken as a negative signal about their commitment to the, and that's why we will write F for the longer hours indicate greater commitment to the firm by reading this information from the passage. Okay, now let's read further. It is negative signal about their commitment to the firm. Now, Bylins add that many corporate managers find it difficult to measure the contribution of their underlings to a firm's well-being. So they use the number of hours worked as a proxy for output. Employees know this, and she says, and they adjust their behavior accordingly. Means G is also our answer. Managers estimate staff productivity in terms of hours worked. Now for question number 34, 35, 36, 37 and 38. We will write, no, sorry, not question number 34. For 35 to 38, we will write B, D, F and G. It is the end of our reading test 3 of Cambridge 1.